In this example, we're going to learn how to add and subtract fractions using a rectangular model. To begin, we have 3/5 plus 1/2. I'm going to do some color coding just so you can see the concept and understand what we're saying. To begin, we're going to draw two rectangles. I'm going to use the lines of the paper to help support me. This rectangle needs to have 5 rows. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does not have to be perfect, but does have to look like some sort of rectangle / square. This one similarly, it has to have at least 2, but we're going to draw it the exact same size as the first one. So we're going to use that in our step later. Now, for this first rectangle, we're going to separate this into 5 equal parts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the second rectangle, we're going to represent 1/2. But before we do that, we're now going to shade in 3 of these 5 parts. One, 2, 3. For the second rectangle, we're going to we're going to split the rectangle into 2 equal pieces. I'm going to use a vertical line for that. And now that we've split it into 2 equal parts, we're going to shade 1 of the 2. Remember, when dealing with fractions, all fractions are broken down as part compared to the whole. The whole, in this case, is 2 equal pieces. The part is just 1, and that's the part we represented with shading. Now, so we can show adding these two without having to find a quote-unquote common denominator. We're now going to put them one on top of the other. So we have 3/5. We're now going to take this box and separate it vertically in half. Next, we're going to do the same here, but this box we're going to separate into 5 equal parts. Next, we're going to count how many is shaded in each box. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 shaded out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to do the same here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are shaded out of a total of 10. We acquired the 10 the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're now going to add them together. 6 plus 5 is 11. We keep the same denominator, which is 10. This becomes 11 out of 10. If you are further along or more advanced, this is actually 1 whole and 1 out of 10 remaining.